G'day everyone, welcome back to Collective Shift. My name is Ben, the founder here at Collective Shift, where we make investing into crypto super easy with actionable insights and steps. And today I've got an amazing resource I'm going to share with you that we've kept for our members, but now we're unlocking, giving away completely for free. And I'm going to drop that link below in the description so you can get a copy of this PDF resource, which is a step-by-step checklist on 3 different ways to look at investing into crypto. So whenever you're looking at a token or a crypto asset, an ERC20 token, something on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, you can look at and do a step-by-step analysis on if you should invest or not. Because it's the number one question I get all the time. Should I invest in Cardano? Should I invest in Luna? Should I invest in Bitcoin? Well, this checklist is going to help you look at any of the thousands and thousands of crypto assets and make it super simple for you to make that decision on your own. This has been our number one resource here at Collective Shift for our members, and we're giving it away for you for free today, so hopefully you enjoy. And if you think this is a great resource for a friend or family, we'd love for you to share this video. It'd really help us out and help educate more people when we bring them into crypto. As well as please give us a like or a subscribe if you find value in this video as we go through. I'm going to keep this to about 10 minutes, so I'm not going to waste too much of your time, so bear with me, but I'm also going to drop this link in the description below so you can download this PDF and keep it for you as you're going through your investor journey. So let's get into it. This is the ultimate crypto checklist to investing into any cryptocurrency project. So the 3 different strategies we're talking about today is the fundamental approach, the technical analysis approach, and the sentiment analysis approach. Now, we're only going to focus on the fundamental approach today. I'll show you briefly the technical analysis and the sentiment. We're going to focus on the fundamental because that is, for me, the main area I look at when investing into crypto assets. Let's get into it. So number 1, the project. Which cryptocurrency is this project actually trying to build? So we're going to head over to the website and we're going to look at the project's white paper. So this is basically the business plan of any crypto project. Let's look at Bitcoin, for example. We have the Satoshi white paper that was created, and we're looking for the fundamental asset itself. We're not looking for buzzwords and marketing words and all this sort of flimsy-flomsy marketing stuff. We're looking for true value. So first of all, head to the project's website and find their white paper or tokenomics to really understand their business plan. Number 2 is the industry. What is the industry, the real world industry that the project is trying to disrupt or win? For example, one of our favorite crypto projects that we've invested heavily here at Collective Shift is Maple, which is disrupting the DeFi industry for institutional companies and investors. So looking at any crypto project and going, what are they trying to disrupt in the real world? Because we see a lot of crypto projects try and build these companies that don't need a token, they don't need a blockchain, they're just doing it for maybe a cash grab or they think they need it, but they're not actually solving a real world problem. Number 3, and potentially one of the most important, especially in the early stage crypto assets, is the team. Looking in, go to the website, study the team. Who are the founders? Who's their CTO? Who's their CPO? What's their community like? Who are the team backing and building the company? Because usually that is the make or break for a company's success. Can they pivot? Can they change? Can they adapt? And are they good enough to win in the crypto markets? The white paper we spoke about, this is basically the business plan. It might be a little bit confusing if it's the first time you've read a white paper, but have a read through the Bitcoin's white paper first and then go to some of the other projects so you can get an understanding of what is good and bad, and then take that away and make a decision on if you think that's a good business plan and white paper for the project. Funding. Does the company have enough money? This has been a huge killer of crypto projects during bear market. So 2018 was the most brutal bear market where we saw a lot of projects actually run out of money. So they raised a lot of Ethereum from their ICOs, and they didn't sell that Ethereum because they probably weren't thinking about it properly, and they ran out of funding, just like any business. Looking at a crypto project is just like investing into a business. So look at their funding, have they got VC backing, how much is their market cap, what's their supply, what do they have in their treasury to keep building their company. That's super, super important that they don't run out of money. Backing. What other people are backing that company? Is there a VC fund? That's another good alpha tip, is to look into what the funds are investing into, because that usually gives you a good indication of where the smart money is going. So backing is a great way as well. The blockchain, back to the use case. Do they actually need a token? Do they need a blockchain? Some teams just decide to build on top of a blockchain because they can. Look through the white paper and really understand, have they clearly articulated why they need that blockchain? Token. Really understanding the value that the token is creating. So utility tokens are different to currency tokens like Bitcoin. Looking into the utility of the token is super important. Again, I'd urge you to maybe do some research, search on YouTube, what are good tokenomics for crypto assets. Some tokenomics are really bad and favorable for the investors and the initial founders. So look at the supply. Is there a cap? Is there a extended supply and limited supply? How does the tokenomics work? Will give you a good indication of how well the value of the token will appreciate over time. Research. Us at Collective Shift, this is what we focus on. We've got a list of over 50 assets over on our website, which you can check out under assets. We give you a full research and analysis on a lot of different crypto assets, but do your own research as well. Look into what other people are talking about. Do your own research and understand, is this asset something that other people have also thinking it's good, or is there some other opinions as well? That's always a good starting point as well. Progress. How far along is the project? Are they trying to build the next Google on Web3? That is a huge problem they're trying to solve. It might not even be a problem right now. So what are they trying to build? Where are they on that journey? And that's going to give you a good indication of when that product might actually hit customers and start generating revenue. Upcoming dates is also a great exercise to look at when they have upcoming announcements. So for example, Ethereum soon is having their announcement, or it's not an announcement, they're moving to proof of stake. So that's something that you can look at and see, okay, is this priced in ahead of time? Has this token gone up because of that upcoming announcement? That's a good indication to maybe hold off until after the announcement versus buying in before, because usually it's going to be, the token's going to be inflated before the announcement comes out. So look at upcoming dates, look at their website and go to their calendar. It's going to give you a good indication. Technical analysis, we're not going to touch on too deeply, but if you are looking into TA, this is a great entry point as well to look at some of the buy and sell volume on different exchanges, liquidity exchanges, etc. You can have a look at that resource below. Some great resources there. And lastly, sentiment analysis. So looking at Google Trends, looking at the community sentiment, get into their Discord, get into their Twitter, see how much, their community engagement there is. Be careful of bots. There's been a lot of projects that are buying viewership, buying bots, buying comments and followers, which isn't real community engagement. You need to find real people backing this project, and that can give you a good indication if the project is going to be successful or not. And also, who is the typical investor? So, whether a particular cryptocurrency is popular in the retail or institutional investors can give you a good insight as to the expected price action based on what is valuable to different investors as well. So hopefully that's been valuable to you. That is our ultimate crypto checklist. You can pull up any crypto project and go through that checklist, print this out at home, go through that checklist. It's going to give you a really good indication of if it's something you should invest into or not. I use this personally, and we've built this over time here at Collective Shift, so I guarantee it's going to help you back at home. And if you want more research, want some of those assets, analysis and insights, we offer a $1 for 7-day trial over at Collective Shift, and we're giving you all of our portfolio strategies, what we're buying in, and when you get live alerts across our 3 portfolios. So we have that are performing really well actually at the moment, so I'll quickly show you that. Over Collective Shift, you can see our investments where we show you live what we're buying and what we're trading on chain. We don't take your money. This is purely what we're doing, and they're all performing unbelievably given the circumstances of the market. And you can also see all of our research, which is again helping you. This is what we're here to do. We're your crypto Web3's best friend. We're going to help you research and understand these markets better. You can get through all of our assets here and look at the bullish and bearish takes, which is only going to help you on your investing journey down here on the bullish and bearish analysis. So $1 for 7 days. You don't get much for $1 anymore these days, and I guarantee this is going to be one of the best investments you'll make in your crypto investing journey. I hope that's been helpful. If you like these videos, please share it to your friends and family or anyone that you think is going to be valuable. Give us a like and a subscribe. Head over to collectiveshift.io, and I'll see you on our next episode. Thanks and bye for now.